In this video, I'll show you how to install a VPN on Meta Quest 3. Using a VPN on your Quest 3 can boost your privacy, protect your connection from DDoS attacks, and even unlock games or subscriptions from other regions. A VPN encrypts your traffic and hides your real IP address, making sure no one can trace your activity or location while you're in VR. Before we start the setup, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price so you have an active account ready to go. There are two main ways to use a VPN on your Meta Quest 3. The first method is installing it with SideQuest. This allows you to have the VPN app directly on your headset. Start by downloading and installing SideQuest on your computer. Then, go to NordVPN's website and download the Android APK version of the app. Connect your headset to your computer via USB and make sure developer mode is enabled. Open SideQuest. Click on the Install APK icon and select the NordVPN file. Once installed, launch NordVPN on your headset, log in, and connect to any server you want. The second method is by setting up VPN on your router. This is the best option if you want your headset and every other device on your Wi-Fi to automatically use the VPN. Let's go through the setup using a TP-Link router as an example. First, open any web browser and type your router's IP address. It's usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in using your router credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Advanced tab and find the VPN Client section. Enable it and click Save. Next, click Add under the Server list to create a new VPN profile. You can name it NordVPN or anything you like. Then choose OpenVPN as the VPN type and enter your NordVPN service username and password. You'll find these in your Nord account under Manual Setup Service Credentials. Now, download the OpenVPN configuration files from your NordVPN account. You can either use the recommended server or pick a specific one, depending on your region. You'll see two file types, UDP and TCP. UDP is faster for gaming and streaming, while TCP is more stable for slower connections. Choose whichever suits you best. Once downloaded, go back to your router's panel, click Browse, upload the file, and hit Save. After saving, turn on your NordVPN connection from the router's VPN client list. Then, go to the Device List section, click Add, and select your Meta Quest headset. Toggle the VPN access switch to On. Now your Quest headset is fully protected through your router. All the traffic going in or out of your Wi-Fi will be encrypted automatically, so you don't have to install anything directly on the headset. This setup also protects other devices, like your phone, PC, or console. Keep in mind that not every router supports VPN connections by default. If yours doesn't, you can install custom firmware like DDWRT, Tomato, or Asus Merlin to make it compatible. And if you're not sure whether your router supports NordVPN, you can check the compatibility list on NordVPN's website or contact their support team anytime they're available 24/7. Now, your Quest 3 is fully protected through your router, and all traffic on your Wi-Fi is encrypted automatically. Using a VPN on your Meta Quest 3 keeps you private, unlocks region-locked content, and secures your online gaming experience. For a VPN that's fast, reliable, and easy to set up, I recommend NordVPN. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.